Right then, welcome back to the channel. And you're probably wondering why we're at Porsche Centre South Lakes, and that is because today we're dropping off some Overland parts for these guys. So a few weeks ago I was contacted by a guy called Richard, who we're going to meet very shortly, and basically they're doing, I think they call it a Porsche RE1NVENT event. Porsche dealerships around the UK are taking old Cayennes, building them into off-road vehicles, and then they're doing a closed off-road circuit in South Wales. So pretty cool. Obviously the off-road market for the Cayennes isn't massive in the UK at the minute. I think we're one of the only people out there that's doing stuff like this. They've bought the lift kit, they've bought the Powerflex, camber bushers, the sump guard, gearbox guard, and we've hooked them up with some Overland merch. So you're also probably wondering why we come in a customer's car. And to be fair, I think it explains itself. It's pretty fitting. This car has got a lot of the modifications that they wanted to fit to their Cayenne, so we thought we'd fetch it along, show them what is possible. We've got this brand new light bar on there, which has literally got fitted today. That's why it's not wired up. But we thought we'd come in this, entice them into what's possible on these vehicles, and maybe that'll encourage them to go a little bit further with the build, get some more modifications on it, and hopefully win the event, which would be good. So I think we'll go and find Richard and have a look at the Cayenne that they're going to build. So we've just been told by the guys in the reception that the car's just round this corner, so let's go and have a look at it. This looks like a Cayenne that could potentially be built into an off-roader, so I'm presuming this is the one. First impressions, it's pretty clean. They've already got the wheels and tyres on there, which Porsche have said they're the mandatory ones that everyone's got to run in the event. I believe this is the 4.7 V8 petrol engine, so not diesel, unfortunately. Would be nice if it was. I think for a 57 plate, it's quite tidy. It's got potential, hasn't it, Adam? A lot of potential. I think rather than guess that this is the right car, I think we should probably go and find Richard and confirm it is, because there might be another Cayenne right corner and it might be that one. Might be looking at the wrong car, Adam. You alright?
How are you? You alright?
Richard?
Richard, yeah, Danny.
Nice to meet you.
How are you doing? You alright? So you see you found the Cayenne then?
We found a Cayenne. I didn't know if it was the right one or not.
Yeah, this is the one we've got. So the whole project is called RE1NVENT. It's all about the E1 Cayenne, which is obviously the first generation Cayenne. So this is our E1 Cayenne.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
It's clean.
How's it compared to like sort of like the stuff you normally deal with?
Yeah, to be fair, the one that we're coming today, I mean, that started off as quite a clean vehicle until we took it off-road, and now it's got a few scratches and things like that.
Well, this will be a lot different when the project's finished.
Yeah, expect to get it a lot dirtier than this.
Yeah, we started on it, so as you can see, it's had the wheels and tyres put on it so far.
Yeah.
It's had like a bit of a workup just to make sure everything's sort of good under the hood.
Yep.
But yeah, it's still got all your stuff to put on it yet. It's going to be getting ready for the competition in September, so we'll see how that goes. Porsche have basically created this project around sort of trying to show that there's still life in the E1 Cayenne. Obviously in America there's like
a big market for this.
In like Saudi Arabia, Dubai and all that sort of stuff. Again, big market for like off-roading Cayennes.
Yeah.
So they're going to sort of try and see sort of what it's like in the UK, and they've done this competition. So for a lot of Porsche centres are taking part, where we're going to like do up an E1 Cayenne using some Porsche parts, some of our parts. So that's why we've contacted you guys, and then we're going to do a competition down in Wales where we do a bit of off-roading. Yeah. So should be good.
Should be interesting, yeah. So do you want to go and have a look at the parts that we've got for you guys?
Yeah, let's go. Let's have a look.
So this is a customer car that we've turned up in. Obviously all your bits are in the back.
Yeah, it looks a bit more impressive than ours.
It does at the minute, but
yeah, hopefully that's what ours will look like.
Yeah, this is inspiration for your build.
Exactly, yeah.
So do you want to have a look around now, or do you want to go and get the techs?
Yeah, I better go get the techs, because they're probably like itching to look around it, so I don't want to leave them out, so I'll just go and get them.
Yeah, sweet. So we've had a look around the car, we've had a look at the bits, we've had a look around the showroom, which is pretty cool when it's closed. It's like a little private tour, yeah. So yeah, we're interested to see where the Overland project goes anyway. And
yeah, well, thank you very much for bringing the parts, for showing us around your Cayenne,
yeah,
for talking to the guys, giving them some inspiration. So hopefully that's got them geared up for doing our project.
Definitely.
And, yeah. Brilliant.
Hopefully a bit of testing in the future, maybe.
Maybe. I think we'll have to do something to sort of give them a bit of experience.
A bit of test.
Obviously, try out what our vehicle can do before we actually compete. So, so yeah,
put it head to head against our customers. See how it compares.
Could be quite interesting. Yeah. The first time they go on it, it's like see what they can do against a proper one. So, yeah, should be good fun.
Well, if you want to watch that video in the future, make sure you subscribe, click the like button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
Follow Porsche in the South Lakes as well.